If you want to remove a subscriber from your Telegram channel, you're in the right place. In this video, I'll walk you through the quickest way to do it step by step so you can manage your channel more easily and keep control over who stays in your audience. This is especially useful if someone should no longer have access to your channel or if you simply want to clean up your subscriber list. If this tutorial helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more simple software and app guides. Now let's jump right in. First, open Telegram on your device and go to the channel where you want to remove a subscriber. Make sure you're opening the correct channel, especially if you manage more than one. Once you're inside the channel, look at the top of the screen and click the channel name. This will take you to the channel information page, where you can see details about the channel and its members. Next, find and click on Subscribers. This opens the full list of people subscribed to the channel. From here, locate the user you want to remove. If there are a lot of subscribers, you may need to scroll through the list to find the correct person. Once you've found the subscriber, right-click on their name. A menu will appear with different options. Click Remove, then confirm the action when prompted. After that, Telegram will remove the subscriber from your channel right away, and that's it. The user has now been removed from your Telegram channel. It only takes a few clicks once you know where to look. If this video helped you, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next tutorial.